I was born in Kurdistan, born and raised with music. I'm gonna make you understand, and show you how we do it. Like the Kurdish Peshmerga as we fight back. True that on the track, I know you like that. So dance to this, slap your hands to this. Don't worry, be happy and bounce to this. Keep it doing it, keep it going, keep it flowing. That's right, through the night to the morning. We got clothes for the shows, here we go. And we got no love to the jealous foes. And they pose to all the Kurdish enemies. Kurdistan forever, I think you're feeling me. Keep your head up, raise your flag up. Qu'est-ce que sont los airs, come on people stand up.
هيلا من هوانا من الحالي ما كردا جد صالو زمان نم دجيم بان كلو دردا قرناسو أقيل بوينم قدين دستين مردا ولكن شربان جلي مدى جوزين بردا.
Hate debate, no longer can I anticipate the feeling of leaving these walls, the barricade. It's been a long road, this fight for freedom. Plenty of allies, but we don't really need them. We've been let down and let on so many times. Cruel cowards need to pay for their evil crimes. So much bloodshed, so many lives destroyed. Families torn apart and left with nothing but a void. My fellow people, this is my calling to you. Raise a flag and peace for the ones who died for you. Let me tell you a little about me. I'm a deep down K-U-R-D. Peshmerga by choice, guerrilla when it's necessary. Carry AK-47s cause it's mandatory. Be proud of who you are, raise your head real high. Barrels of Kurdistan, fight, sacrifice and strive.
Listen to the song and prepare for some action. This is US/Swedish connection. And we're taking this music to the next step, son. And we got all this for your satisfaction. Rapping and singing in Kurdish is all good. And I'm stepping to the scene and tell them all that I'm good. We got speed coming through like Air Force One.